Hey Quarren Queens, I am back again and I'm going to teach you how to make some cookies. So I want you to start by doing a little dance over a bowl because it helps with the baking. You won't feel as stupid as I did doing that, don't you worry. In the bowl you want to pop your flour, your salt and your bicarb and give that a soft whisk together. Then you want to add in your butter, an egg, you want to add your brown sugar and some caster sugar and give that a little whisk. Don't use a hand whisk. It was the worst manual labour I've ever done in my life. It was like having a job working 2 days on the trot. And then you'll see that I added in the dry ingredients that we sifted together, and then I do pop in some cocoa powder here. If y'all don't like chocolate, you can leave that out. I don't mind, I won't tell nobody. And then here's when you add in your chopped up chocolate. So I have some Kinder bars, some Rolos, some Caramac, some white chocolate, and some dark chocolate because I'm greedy. And I did notice at the end that it was a little bit too wet for me still, so I added in some more flour. And then you just want to combine that all in. This is where it gets weird, I'm very sorry. You want to roll out some cling film and pop in your cookie dough into the onto the cling film. And then you do want to roll it up. I sped this part up because it just looks like a poo. Like the last bake I did, it looked like poo. This one looks like a poo and it's very phallic as well. I don't know why it's so phallic. If you want the unedited footage, it's about a minute of me rolling and fondling with this dough. So let me know, I'll send it to you boys. If you like what you see, slide into my DMs, do you know what I mean? Oh, that's so weird, isn't it? Why am I caressing it like that? Anyway, chuck it in the fridge and then you can wait. Here, the sun came out and I noticed that it looked like rings on my finger. I think I've got ADHD or something, I don't know. Anyway, get your chopper out the fridge and it should be a little bit firm by now. I know what it looks like. I was just trying to show you how stiff it was, I promise. I'm sorry, Mum, I'm very sorry. Unwrap your dough and then you want to cut it into like about an inch disc. I don't know, men have never been good with inches. Am I right, ladies? Am I right? So you just want to cut them into like an inch disc, and I think this one, the poo cookie log, it gave me about 16 cookies, I think. So you just want to cut them until you have 16, and then you just do want to reshape them a little bit because where you've cut them, they are a little bit squashed. And when I am baking for people, trust me, I do wear gloves. I ain't a dirty beggar, trust me. But there's no gloves at the moment for obvious reasons. So you just wanna reshape them all and then pop them on a tray. I can only fit 6 on there, so if you've got more than one tray, then you know, do all that fun stuff. And then whack them in the oven. When you pull them out, they'll look something like this. That's taking the piss, but we move on. But that's it. Plate them up, or I put them on this nice little chopping board. I hope everyone's staying safe. I hope you enjoy this video. And I will see you soon. Miss you guys. There is a blooper at the end, so enjoy that. Stay safe and I'll see y'all later.
Ah, that's so hot. Ow. Oh my God. Lord have mercy, that's so hot. That'd be good though.